want to do is flip your bike upside down. Alright. Second thing, you're going to want to start taking off the training wheels. Now, you remove this. It goes. If it's not working, make sure that your connection. Come closer. Zoom. Make sure your connection is connected right. Sometimes the cables are either unsoldered or the glue came off or whatever. Just make sure it's well connected. If that doesn't work, open these up. There's 4 screws. There's 4 screws. This is this is the throttle. This is what makes it go. So make sure it's forward, and make sure that your springs, there's some springs here. Make sure the springs are put in properly. Like so. You just put them back in. Like I said, make sure it's all the way to the front, forward on the reset button. Make sure it's forward. Make sure the cables aren't ripped or anything. And then just go ahead and just tighten it back up. Once you put your screws in, and you should be good to go.